Question numbers 31 to 33. Question numbers 31 to 33. Now these three questions are based on set of numbers. Now in this one, tell me what are the numbers given here? 785, 514, 862, 273, 496. Then the positions of the first and the third digits. The positions of the first and the third digits are interchanged and each of the numbers are interchanged. First and the third digits of each of the numbers are interchanged, then what will be the resultant? If third digit of the lowest number is divided by the third digit of the highest number, isn't it? Now, the first and the third digits are interchanged, means this 785 will be 587 and this will be 415, 268, 372 and 694. Now in this one, tell me which is the highest number here, what will the resultant if third digit of the lowest number? Now the lowest number is 268, the third digit is 8, now this 8, third digit of the lowest number is divided by the third digit of the highest number. The highest number is 694, now the third digit is 4, 8 divided by 4, it is choice 2. 2 is the answer, choice 2. Then question number 32. Now in this 32, in each number all the digits are arranged in the descending order from left to right. In each number all the digits are arranged in descending order from left to right. You know how many numbers thus formed will the second digit be? Exactly divided by 3, isn't it? Now here. Now the given numbers are written in the descending order. This will be 587, descending order 875 and this will be 541 and 862. As it is, this will be 732 and 964. Now among these numbers, you know how many numbers thus formed will the second digit be exactly divided by 3? Now this 7 is not divided by 3, 4 is not divided by 3, here 6 is divided by 3, 3 is divided by 3 and 6 is also divided by 3. Hence in 3 of the numbers it is divided by 3, that is choice 4. Clear now? Then question number 33. If 1 is subtracted from the first digit of every odd number and 1 is added to the first digit of every even number. 1 is subtracted from the first digit means 785 will be 685. Now 514 will be 414 and this 862 means 1 is added to the first digit of every even number. This will be 962 and 373 and 596. These are the numbers. Then what will be the difference between the highest and the lowest numbers thus formed? What is the highest number here? 962 and lowest number is 373. Now the difference between these two is so much. The last digit must be 9. Now among the given choices, 9 at the last digit is given only in choice 3. Clear now? Now this is about choice 3, question number 33. 789 is the answer. Then question number 34 onwards. Now in this question number 34 and 36, 34 to 36, these three questions are based on blood relations. D is the mother of S. Tell me how to represent this one. D is the mother of S. D is the mother of S can be written like this. And S is the sister of L. S is the sister of L. L is married to G. L and G are married couple. G is the son of T. As G is a male, L is a female. This G is the son of T. And T is married to N. T and N are married couple and N is the father of H. As N is the father of H and T is the mother of H. Then question number 34, if H is the father of R, H is the father of R means this is, if H is the father of R, then how is R related to G? Yes, tell me how is this R related to G here? Now G's brother is H, brother's child. Now if this person R is a male, then nephew, female, niece. As the gender of this R is not known and the answer could be either nephew or niece. As you are getting two different answers cannot be determined, that is choice 4. Then question number 35, how is L related to N? How is this L related to N? N's son is G, son's wife is daughter-in-law, son's wife that is daughter-in-law, question number 35, choice 1. Then question number 36, how is D related to L? Yes, tell me how is this D related to L here? L's sister, sister. Now, how is L related to D related to L? Now, this D is the mother of L, mother that is given in choice 5. Mother choice 5 is the answer. Question numbers 34 to 36. Then 37 to 41. These 5 questions are based on coded inequalities. Now, in this 37 to 41. Now, 37. N and T. T is here and N is here. Now, between T and N, forget about this equals to. Now, which symbol is common here? Lesser than is common. Now, T lesser than N is true. If T lesser than N is true, N greater than T is also true. Then coming to the next one, S and V. Now, the relation between S and V, there is one greater than and one lesser than. There are two opposite symbols. As two opposite symbols are there, and the second conclusion cannot be drawn. Hence, what is your answer here? Only conclusion 1 is true. That is choice 1. Question number 37, choice 1 is the answer. Then 38. Now, in this 38, the relation between P and D. Now, the relation between P and D, again forget about this equals to. Now, between P and D, tell me which symbol is common? Lesser is common. Hence, P lesser than D is definitely true. If P lesser than D is true, D greater than P is also true. But whereas P equals to D will be false. Hence, only conclusion 2 follows. Only conclusion 2, that is choice 4. Question number 38, choice 4. Then coming to this question number 39, the relation between L and S. Tell me which letter is common between these two. W is common. Now, we need to move from L to W, L greater than W. And S lesser than W means W greater than S. Hence, between L and S, tell me which symbol is common here? Greater is common. Hence, L greater than S is definitely true. Then coming to the second one, E and S. E is here and S is here. W lesser than E and S lesser than W. S lesser than W, W lesser than E. Hence, S lesser than E is true. If S lesser than E is true, E greater than S is also true. Hence, both the conclusions follow. Both 1 and 2, that is choice 2. Question number 39, choice 2 is the answer. Then 40th. Now, question number 40, the relation between S and T. S is here, T is here. Between S and T, there is one greater than and one lesser than, two opposite symbols. No relation between these two. Then coming to the next one, N and O. Between O and N, forget about this equals to. Now, O lesser than N is true. Then N greater than O is also true. Hence, only conclusion 2 follows. Only conclusion 2 choice please. Choice 4 is the answer. Question number 40, it is choice 4. Then 41. Now, in this 41, the relation between N and W. W is here, N is here. Between W and N, there is one lesser than and one greater than. No relation can be drawn between these two. Now, the relation between A and P. Again, between A and P, there is one greater than and one lesser than. No relation can be drawn. Hence, neither 1 nor 2, that is choice 3. Question number 41, choice 3 is the answer. Clear now? 37 to 41. Then 42 onwards. Now, in these question numbers 42 to 46, these 5 questions are based on circular arrangement. How many persons are there? 8 people. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q are the 8 persons seated around a circular table. Whenever this circular table is given, first we need to check out whether the persons are facing the center or different directions. Here in this one clearly specified, facing the center is clearly given. All the 8 persons are facing the center. Then there are 3 persons seated between M and Q. As 3 persons are seated in between M and Q, among these 8 persons, 3 persons in between is nothing but they are opposite to each other. That means if M is here, Q will be here. 3 persons between M and Q. And Q is south to the left of J. As Q is south to the left of J, J must be here only. Then only this Q will be south to the left of J is valid. And N is an immediate neighbor of both K and O. Now, this N is an immediate neighbor of both K and O. Tell me what is the different possibility here. N must be at this place only. If N is here, N is in between both K and O. If N is here, if K is here, O will be here. Or if K is here, O will be here. Done with this? N is the immediate neighbor of both K and O. And P is south to the left of K. As P is south to the left of K, if K is here, then 1, 2, 3, P and M must be in the same place, which is not possible, which implies that K cannot be here. If K cannot be here, then K will be in between M and N. K is in between M and N. If K is in between M and N, then who is the other person here? O is here. And P is south to the left of K, 1, 2, 3, P will be here. If P is here, tell me who is the person left over? J, K, L. L is the person left over. Clear now? This is how these 8 persons are seated around this circular table facing the center. Then question number 42. Now in this question number 42, which of the following is K's position? Tell me the position of this K. Now south to the right of M, K is south to the right of M is false. Then next one, immediate left of Q, K is to the immediate left of Q, this is also false. Third to the right of J, K is south to the right of J is false because K is second to the right of J. And choice 5, immediate right of N, K is an immediate right of N, true or false? This is again false because K is an immediate left of N rather than right hand side. Hence all the choices false. That means none other than the options given, that is choice 4. 42 choice 4. Then question number 43, based on the given arrangement 4 of the following. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Then in this odd man out tell me P and M. Now P is seated second to the left of M, N and Q. N is seated second to the left of Q, M and O. M is south to the left of O, isn't it? And the next one J and L. J is, now in between J and L there is only one person, P and M one person, N and Q one person, K and J one person, but whereas in between M and O there are two persons, except in choice 3. In the remaining choices there is exactly one person between these two. Hence 3 is the answer. Then 44, and based on the given arrangement 4 of the following are similar in N and K. Yes, tell me what is the relation between N and K? K is to the immediate left of N, isn't it? And L and Q, Q is to the immediate left of L, P and L is to the immediate left of P, and Q and O, and Q is to the, O is to the immediate left of Q, and M and K, K is to the immediate right of M. Then what is your answer here? Choice 5, except in choice 5. And in the remaining cases, now the second person is to the immediate left of the first person. But whereas in the fifth choice, the second person is to the right hand side of the first person. 44. Then 45, which of the following is L's position with respect to Q? L's with respect to Q, L is to the immediate right hand side of Q. L is to the immediate right hand side. Then choice please. Yes, what is the answer given here? L is to the immediate, question number 40, 45. Now in this 45, other than the options given, that is choice 1, because we got immediate right hand side, but otherwise it is nowhere given, choice 1. Then 46, now based on the given arrangement J and O, J, O, then tell me how are the J and O are opposite to each other? K and L are also opposite, J and O opposite, K and L are opposite, and hence make a group which of the following also belongs to that group. J and Q cannot form a group because they are not opposite. Q and K are not opposite. N and P are opposite to each other. Hence choice 3 is the answer. Now this is about question numbers 42 to 46. Then 47 onwards. Now in this question number 47, what is the information here? 47 to 49. These 3 are based on directions. Now J is 14 meters to the west of K. K is here and J is how many meters? 14 meters. J is 14 meters to the west of K and L is 5 meters to the north of K. K is here. Now if this is L, how many meters? L is 5 meters to the north of K. M is 7 meters to the west of L. M is 7 meters to the west of L. L is here. This will be M and 7 meters to the west of L. L is 7 meters to the west of L. And N is 11 meters to the south of M. N is 11 meters from here. N will be somewhere here, 11 meters, out of which this will be 5 and this is 6. N is 11 meters to the south of M. O is 10 meters to the east of M. Now O is 10 meters to the east of M from here. Now east of M means N. O is how many meters? 10 meters to the east of M, hence O is here, and the distance between L and O must be 3 meters. Then point O is in which direction with respect to N? O is in which direction here? Tell me the direction of O with respect to N. Now this is north and this is east, hence north and east, northeast, northeast, that is choice 4. Then 48. If a person walks 7 meters to the east from point N, from point N this person has travelled how many meters? 7 meters. Now this person has travelled 7 meters to the east of N. Now this will be 7 meters to the east of N and then takes a left turn. Now this person has taken a left turn. Then which of the following points would he reach first? Tell me. First point he will reach is K. K, that is choice 3. 48. Then question number 47 and 48, only 2 questions are based on these directions. Then 49 and 50, 49. If each vowel, it is based on a condition, each vowel in the word, what is the word given here? Moisture, M-O-I-S-T-U-R-E, moisture. Now in this word moisture, each vowel in the word is changed to the next letter. Each vowel is changed to the next letter. O will becomes P, I will becomes J, and U becomes V, and E becomes F. Each vowel is changed to the next letter, and each consonant is changed to the previous letter. M minus 1 will be L, and T minus 1 is what? S, and R minus 1 is Q. Then all the alphabets in the word thus formed is arranged in the alphabetical order. Now all these elements are arranged in the alphabetical order. If you arrange all these elements in the alphabetical order, first letter must be F, next one is J, next one L, Q, S, isn't it? Now P is there in between. L, after this L, P is there, P. Next to P is Q, S and V. Then all the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. Then which of the following will be second from the right hand side? Second from the right hand side is what? S is the answer. Clear? Now rather than writing down this entire category, isn't it? Now second from the right hand side means tell me which will be at the last place. All the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. As these letters are arranged in the alphabetical order, at the last place the highest letter should be there. Which is the highest letter? V. Now before this V, which letter should be there? S is the answer. Isn't it? Hence no need to write down the entire case. And your answer is S, that is choice 49. Then coming to question number 50. Now in this one, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word foreign? Now F-O-R-E-I-G-N, foreign. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word foreign? Each of which has as many letters between them as they have in the English alphabet. Now from left hand side, now we need to count this one. F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Is there any letter matching here? Then starting with O. P, Q, R, S, T, no letter is matching here. R, no letter more than this one, no need to count. E, F and G. E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And from left hand side to right hand side, how many do we have? Only one. Again, we need to count from right to left. Starting from N, O, P, Q, R. Isn't it? Now, O, P, Q, R, if you observe here, N to R. Now, tell me how many letters are there in between N to R in this? 3 letters. In the alphabetical order also between N and R, O, P and Q are the only 3 letters. Here there are 3 letters, there are also 3 letters, hence these two makes a pair. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, G, H, I, J, K, L, I, J, K, L, M, E, F, G and so on. Hence how many do we have? There are only 2 such pairs. Only 2 such pairs, choice place, choice 4 is the answer. E and G is one pair, N and R is the other pair. And question number 51 to 55. Now in this 51 to 55, these 54 only. These 4 questions are based on what? Sequence. Sequence of number, letter and symbol. Then in this one, question number 51. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way, and hence form a group, find the one which does not belong to that. Whenever you come across this 4 of the following, it is nothing but an odd man out. Okay? No need to read the entire information. This is sheer waste of your time. And 4 out of the following means odd man out. Then D6 $5. Now tell me what is order here. D6 $5 if you take D6 $5 and $, D and 6. Now where is D here? D to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is plus 4. D to 6 is plus 4. Next one 6 and 5. And 6 and 5, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, plus 4, minus 3, 5 and $, 1, 2, plus 2. Yes, what is the pattern followed here? Plus 4, minus 3, plus 2. If you are moving right hand side, it will be plus, left hand side, it will be minus. Then what is the next choice given here? And H2Y pound. H2Y and pound. Yes, tell me what about H and 2 here? H and 2. H2 2, 1, 2, 3. What is the difference here? Plus 3 is the difference. Plus 3. Next one 2 and Y. 2 and Y, 1, 2, minus 2. And Y and pound plus 1. Here it is plus 3, minus 2, plus 1. Now we need to check out one more in this one. Then R at the rate of 3B. R at the rate of 3 and B, if you check out here. R and at the rate of. Yes, R and at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. And at the rate of N3, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. And 3 and B, plus 2. plus 4 minus 2 and 3 and B. Now 3 and B again plus 2 here. Now plus 4 at the rate of and 3, 1, 2, 3 minus 3, isn't it? Now this is minus. Hence plus 4 minus 3 plus 2, here also plus 4 minus 3 plus 2. And in the remaining pairs also it will be plus 4 minus 3 plus 2, hence this is the odd one. Clear? No need to work out all the cases, isn't it? Why no need to work out all the cases? Because one is different, all the remaining will be the same. Now let us take for example, if you have some 7 soxes, okay? The mundu chesuntaru meer permutation and combination. If 7 soxes were there, now one is what? Now you are already wearing some black colored socks to your left leg. Left foot em chesaru cheppandi, black color esaru. Now the remaining 6 were there. Appudu em cheyali? Now while picking up this one, now the second one you got is white, third one is red. First one is black kada? First one is black, already మీరు left leg కి వేసారు. రైట్ లెగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఫ్యాషన్కి పోకూడదు, దానికి కూడా బ్లాకే వాడాలి, isn't it? Left is black, now right should be black. Now first one I drawn, it is a white one. వేసుకుంటారా? లేదు. Second one డ్రా చేసాం. Second one డ్రా చేస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? Second one another color. And third one I got this black. As third I got black, no need to check out the remaining. And similarly here also, now if 2 were different, then check out one more, that itself is enough. Clear? Then 51. Then question number 52 here. How many such symbols are there in the given sequence? Now I am representing a symbol with S, and each of which is immediately followed by a number, following by a number should be after this one, and preceded by letter, Then what should be the sequence here? Letter, symbol and a number should be the sequence, isn't it? Hence, whenever these type of questions were given, first we need to express the given data like this. Then directly we can start from this symbol. Where is the symbol here? Symbol is here. This symbol is not preceded by letter, this is ruled out. Now this symbol is preceded by letter and it is not followed by number. This symbol not preceded by letter, symbol preceded by letter but not followed by number, symbol not preceded by letter, symbol preceded by letter but not followed by number, isn't it? Then next one. Symbol not preceded by letter, symbol not preceded by letter. Now U, dollar and 6. Now dollar is a symbol preceded by letter U and followed by number 6. Next one. Anything else here? No. Now this preceded by letter but not followed by number. Now this pound preceded by letter Y and followed by number 2. And how many are there? There are only 2 such. Hence choice 2 is the answer. Clear? If you represent the information like this, then it will be very easy for you to directly, okay, getting into the answer rather than checking out each and every element here. And this is about question number 52. Then coming to question number 53, which of the following is 10th to the left of, 20th from the left hand side. Now here, left and left. How many directions do we have? 2 directions. Now tell me whether the directions are same or different? Same. Whenever the directions are same, then what we should do? Now we should subtract between these two. Hence 20 minus 10, whenever the direction is same, always subtract between these. Left and left subtract, right and right subtract. The direction is different, left and right add, right and left add. Now 20 minus 10 is how much? 10. Now we need to find out the 10th letter from the left hand side, 10th element from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 10th element from the left hand side is 9. That is choice 5. 53. Then question number 54. Now it is based on a series R3B. Whenever the series is given, earlier we had discussed about that one. Yes, what is the part we had discussed? Always write one below the other. R3B, R3B. Next one is what? At the rate of hash L, at the rate of hash L. And next 9G yon. Next SM5, SM5. Then what should be the next one? Now check out the first element here, R and at the rate of. R and at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. At the rate of N9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And 9 and S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. Plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, next one must be plus 7. Now the 7th letter to the right hand side of M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now tell me what is the element here? U is the element, isn't it? Then coming to the second one. Now in the second, 3 and hash. 3 and a hash, tell me what is the element here. 3 to hash, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, and a hash and G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Next one, G and M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. Next one is plus 7. 4, 5, 6, next one is plus 7. Tell me the seventh letter to M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is dollar. And U and dollar must have been the first two. Yes, what is the choice here? Only choice 4 is there, U and dollar. Then no need to check on the third element as well. Hence, whenever the number series is given in this sequence, always write one below the other, compare the first letters, compare the second letters, and compare the third letters. In whatever may be the pattern he has given, left to right or right to left, you can easily get the answer. Done? Now this is about 51 to 55, 54. Then 55 onwards. Now question number 55 onwards, it is based on syllogisms. All paintings are black. All the paintings are blacks can be written like this. All paintings are black. And some of the black are white. Some black or white can be represented like this. Now these two are what? Affirmative statements. Then first one, all white are black, is it true? No. And some white are black, some white are black is definitely true. And so only the second conclusion followed, and that too it is a negative, and that it is an affirmative conclusion, it will be true forever. Choice 1 is the answer. 55, choice 1. Then question number 56. All tables are stools. All these tables are what? All tables are stools. And all stools are what? All tables are stools. All stools are big. Then first one, all tables are big, is it true? And some tables are big, true or false? That's also true. And so what is your answer here? Both 1 and 2. If both 1 and 2 is true, that is choice 3. Then 57. Some gold or iron. Now this is gold and this is iron. Some gold or iron. All iron or silver. This entire iron is silver. Then all silver is gold, that is false. Only some silver is gold is true. All iron is gold, that is also false. Then what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2. Choice 4 is the answer. Question number 57, choice 4. Then 58, some wheels are round. Some of the wheels are round can be written like this, wheel and round. Some wheels are round and no round is a square. No round is a square can be written like this. Some wheels are round, no round is a square. All wheels are squares, that is false. And some wheels are not square. No wheel is a square, some wheels are not square is true. As the second conclusion is true, it is a negative conclusion. Now to check this one whether it can be false at least once or not, now we need to draw its complementary pair by proving the alternate diagram. What is the complementary pair to this? Some wheels are not square means all wheels are square. Now tell me whether we can draw like that all wheels are squares. In order to prove all wheels are squares, my diagram of square should be like this, isn't it? Now tell me whether we can draw squares like this. If you draw square like this, no round is a square will be false because some of the rounds will be square. Hence alternate diagram cannot be drawn. That means complementary pair cannot be true at least once. Hence it cannot be false at least once. As it cannot be false, it must be true forever. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn, previous negative conclusion will be true forever. Hence what is your answer? Only conclusion 2 is true, choice 1. Question number 58, choice 1 is the answer. Then 59. Now 59, some fingers are thumbs. Some of the fingers are thumbs can be written like this, finger and thumb. And some thumbs are nails, some thumbs are nails. First one, some fingers are nails is false. And second, all fingers are nails, that is also false. There is no intersection between finger and nail. Hence neither 1 nor 2, that is choice 3. Question number 59, choice 3 is the answer. Then 60 onwards. Now in this question number 60, in a bike exhibition organized in 1 week, 7 days starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Starting on Monday, ending on Sunday. Hence, first we need to represent these days at the center: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now extend the lines like this. Now if you have the second possibility, you can work out here, Monday to Sunday. Then condition number 1. Now in this condition number 1, TVS, the same week, each day was kept exclusively for one brand, and TVS is neither on the first 2 days nor on the last 2 days. TVS cannot be in these two, cannot be in these two. Hence TVS can be either on Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, isn't it? And nor the last 2 days. And a hero is immediately after TVS. and Hero is immediately after what? Hero is immediately after TVS. And next one, Kinetic is before Hero, Kinetic is before Hero, Kinetic is before Hero, and Kinetic is before Hero, and there are 3 other bikes between them as well. Kinetic is before Hero, and there are 3 other bikes between them as well as between Ray and TVS. Are you following this one or not? Now, in between Kinetic and Hero, how many must be there? There must be exactly 3. As there must be exactly 3, and TVS is immediately after, right? Hero is immediately after TVS. Hero is immediately after TVS. Now, tell me what are the different possibilities we can have for this one. As TVS, where can this TVS be? Can TVS be on Friday or not? TVS can be on Friday, or TVS can be on Thursday, or TVS can be on Wednesday. How many possibilities? 3 possibilities. As of now, there is a provision for only 2 possibilities. First, let us work out these 2. If these 2 are invalid, then you can directly start with the TVS on Wednesday. That is the only thing left over. Then, if TVS is here 1, 2, 3, and Hero must be immediately after this TVS. In the first case, Hero must be on Saturday, and in the second case, Hero must be on Friday. Then, there are 3 in between these 2. There are 3 in between these 2 means, now in between these 2 there must be exactly 3. Now, Kinetic and Hero there must be exactly 3, 1, 2, 3, and so Kinetic must be on Tuesday. Are you following this one or not? Kinetic is on Tuesday. Now, in this one, Hero is here and Kinetic is 3 days before this one, 1, 2, 3, and so Kinetic must be on Monday. And there are 2 possibilities as well. And Kinetic is before Hero, and there are 3 other bikes between them, as well as between Ray and TVS. As well as between Ray and TVS means, now between Ray and TVS also there must be exactly 3. Now, TVS is here 1, 2, 3, Ray will be here. Ray must be on Monday. But yes, here in the second case between this one, 3 in between Ray and TVS is not possible, and the second case is completely ruled out. Now, we are left with 1 case, and there is only 1 between Yamaha and Ray. Between Yamaha and Ray there must be exactly only 1. Hence, Yamaha must be on Wednesday, and Splendor is after TVS. Splendor is after TVS. Splendor must be on Sunday. If Splendor is on Sunday, then what else is left over here? Alpha is left over, and this Alpha must be on Thursday. Clear now? This is how these 7 are displaced on 7 different days. Then, question number 60. On which of the following days is Yamaha scheduled? Yes, tell me, Yamaha was scheduled on Wednesday. Yamaha is scheduled on Wednesday, that is given in choice. Wednesday is nowhere given, isn't it? Choice 1, other than the options given, that is choice 1 and all this. Then question number 61. Now, in this 61, which of the following is true as per the given schedule? Splendor is on Saturday, that is false because Splendor is on Sunday. TVS is scheduled on Wednesday, that is also false. Kinetic is scheduled on Monday, that is false. There is only 1 bike between Alpha and Kinetic. Alpha and Kinetic, there is exactly 1 bike. Choice 4 is the answer. 61, it is choice 4. Then question number 62. Based on the scheduled sequence, 4 of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. Alpha and TVS. Alpha and TVS are adjacent to each other. TVS and Hero adjacent to each other. Yamaha and Alpha is adjacent. Hero and Splendor. Hero, Splendor adjacent. Kinetic and Ray. Kinetic and Ray, they are adjacent. Then what will tell me what is your answer here? All these are adjacent to each other. As all these are adjacent to each other, then we need to identify the order. Alpha and TVS. Alpha is immediately above this TVS, and TVS is immediately after Hero. Now, Yamaha is immediately after this Alpha, and Hero is immediately after this Splendor, and this Kinetic and Ray. Kinetic is immediately below this Ray, except in choice 5 and in the remaining choices. Now, the first vehicle is immediately above the second vehicle. Done with this? 62 choice 5. Then, what about 63 here? 63. Now, in this question number 63, based on the scheduled sequence, if Splendor is to Alpha. Splendor is to Alpha, tell me how many are there in between these 2? There are exactly 2. And following the same logic, TVS is to Kinetic. TVS is to Kinetic, exactly between these 2 there are 2. Then Hero is to what? Yes, Hero is to what? Yamaha. Hero is to Yamaha. choice 5 is the answer. Between Hero and Yamaha, there are exactly 2. Then question number 64, and which of the following bikes is scheduled on Sunday? On Sunday, Splendor, that is choice 2. Then 65, and 4 of the following 5 are alike, that means it is an odd man out. Now T and Z. Yes, tell me what is the difference between T and Z? T and Z. What is the value of T? The value of T is 20, Z is 26. The difference between 20 and 26 is plus 6. Then H and O, H is 8, O is 15, 8 plus 7 is 15, L and P, L is 12, P is 16. Now the difference between these two is plus 4, and F and H, the difference between these two is plus 2, and K and S. K is 11 and S is 19, here the difference is 8. If you check out the difference, 6, 4, 2, 8 are even difference. Now H and O is an odd difference, except in choice 2. And in the remaining pairs, the difference between the first and the second letter is even. But whereas in choice 2 it is odd, hence it is the odd one. Clear now? Now this is about question numbers 31 to 65 in paper number 48. Then number series 94 onwards. Now question number 94 onwards, 94, 2, 14, 38, 86 and so on. Then 2 and 14. Yes, tell me what is the difference between these 2 and 14? 2, 14, 38, 86, 374. And 2 and 14, the difference between these two is 12. And 14 and 38, the difference is 24. And 38 and 86, the difference between these two is 48. Yes, how can you relate these to 12 and 24? 12 into 2 is 24, 24 into 2, 48, 48 into 2, 96. Now 8 plus 9, 17 plus 1, 18. That is 182 is the answer. 182, that is choice 3. Clear enough? 182, choice 3. 94, the difference between the numbers are multiples of 12. 12, 24, 24 into 2, 48, 48 into 2, 96. Then coming to question number 95, 10, 28, 63. 10, 28, 63, 132, 252. Then what should be the next one? 10 and 28, tell me what is the difference between these two. 10 plus 18, 28, 28 and 63, 28 plus 35 is 63, and 63 and 132. Yes, tell me what is the difference between these two. 63 and 132. Now the difference between these two is 69. 69. And the next one? The next one. Now 10 and 28, how can you express this one? 10 into 2, 20 plus 8, Raicha. 28 into 2, 56 plus 7, 63. 63 into 2, how much? 126 plus 6 is 132. 132 into 2, 264 plus how much? 264, and it is a minus. Okay, hence it does not come under combination in the literature. 132 and 252, 25 minus 13 is how much? 12. Hence what is the difference here? 120 is the difference. Now if 120 is the difference, then we should go for difference of difference. 18 and 35, 17, 35 and 69 plus how much? Plus 34, and the next one 69 and 120, here it is 51. Now what are these numbers? 17, 34, 51 are multiples of 17. 17 into 1, 17 into 2, 17 into 3. Next one 17 into 4, 68 should be added to what? 120. 120 plus 68, 188 when added to 252. 25 plus 18 is how much? And the answer is 440. 440, that is choice 1. Done with this? 440, choice 1 is the answer, 95. Then question number 96. Now in this one, as the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, here the difference must be, we should opt for difference. Now 101 and 103. 101, 103. 101, 103. Again, as hundreds are common, then let us take the last digit to 1, 3, 9, 21, 41. Then 1 and 3 difference happen, 1 and 3 plus 2, 3 and 9 plus 6, 9 and 21 is how much? Plus 12, 9 plus 12, here the difference is how much? 20. Then what should be the next one? 2, 6, 12, 20, ela cheyali. Again difference kelipotara, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 10. Plus 10 will be how much? 20 plus 10. and 41 plus 30, it will be 71. 71, as you have removed 100, now we should add 100. 171 is the answer. Clear now? 171, that is given in choice 4. Now again, now these 2, 6, 12, 20, 30 can be written as, either you can go for the difference between these numbers, or it can be 2 can be written as 1 square plus 1, 6 can be written as 2 square plus 2, 12 can be written as 3 square plus 3, and 20 can be written as 4 square plus 4, and the next one must be 5 square plus 5, which is 30 should be added, isn't it? Or else these 2, 6 can be written as, 2 can be written as 1 into 2, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and 12 can be written as 3 into 4, 4 into 5 is 20, next one 5 into 6, 30, then also you will get the same. Okay, need not necessarily always be different zone. Okay, neither way you will get the answer, 96. Then 97. Now in this 97, if you observe here, 8, 16, 64 and 30,720, as the numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, it must be under which category? Multiplication or combination. Now in this one, 8, 16, 64, they are multiplied with each other, and the next one is 30720. 30720. Now here into 2, into 4, into 6, next one is into 8, next one is into 10. Now if you divide this by 10, that will be 3072. Rather than multiplying 384 into 8, now divide that previous one with 10. Hence 3072, that is choice 1, 97. Then 98. 6, 11, 31. Tell me it comes under which category? 98. Now starting with 6, and the choices, if you observe here, they are ending with 3000. As the numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, it must be under either product or combination only. 31, 121 and 601. And again in the case of combination, product is not possible because 6 and 11 cannot be related, hence it must be under combination. And in the case of combination, we should always check out at the highest pair. Now 121 and 601, how can you relate these two? 121 into 5, how much? 605, minus how much? Minus 4 is 601, into 5 minus 4. If it is into 5 minus 4, then 31 into 4 is 124 minus 3. Then 11 and 31, 11 into 3, 33 minus 2. And the previous one will be into 2 minus 1. Now check out these numbers, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, next one must be into 6. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now 601 into 6 is how much? 3606 minus 5 will be, and those 3601. 3601, that is choice 5 is the answer. And anyhow, the last digit must be 1, that is given only in choice 5. Clear now? Now this is about question numbers 94 to 98. Yes, one more question is left over, it seems. Ayipindandi? Ayipindi, 98. Yes, clear? Yes, any doubts in today's session? Now paper number 48, 31 to 35 and 94 to 97. Clear? And the next is quant. Quant session will be there.